AI is one of the biggest topics right now, and you'll hear about it pretty much everywhere. So it does make sense that TryHackMe just released a new hands-on certification built specifically for it, called AI1. The bundle does come with 3 months of premium access and a full hands-on prep path, so you can actually build the skills before you take the exam. That alone does make this worth a look, but the real question is, whether it's actually worth your time for someone trying to break into cybersecurity, or if it's just riding the AI hype. That is what I want to figure out in today's video. Full disclosure, this video is sponsored by TryHackMe, but as always, my take on it is my own. So what exactly is AI1? AI1 is a new hands-on entry-level certification focused on AI security. And when I first heard AI security certification, I honestly expected something pretty advanced, but this one is actually built for people who are early in the space, which is what I think is the right call given how new all of this is. The whole point is to prove that you can step up and actually defend real AI systems and not just talk about them. This is a technical practitioner cert where you are getting your hands dirty with real systems. Now, there are a couple of things that I really like about, especially how it's structured. It is not just an exam where you pay, you do the test, and you hope that you pass. No. This is bundled with 3 months of TryHackMe Premium Access. You get full access to the AI security learning path and a free retake, so even if you don't pass the first time, that's okay. So you learn first, you build the skills in the labs, and then you take the exam whenever you have time. And I like that the prep is built right into the bundle, so you're not just figuring out how to study for it on your own. Speaking of prep, let's talk about what that actually looks like, because this is honestly a big part of the value here. The path consists of 25 hands-on rooms split across 5 modules. You'll have AI fundamentals, secure architecture, prompt security, supply chain security, and data poisoning. So by the time that you get to the exam, you have already touched everything that you're going to be tested on. And again, these are all included in the bundle. So you'll have 3 full months of premium access to work through it. And that is enough time to go through the labs properly, build some confidence, and then walk into the exam prepared instead of cramming. Oh, and by the way, if you are new to TryHackMe, their platform runs everything in the browser, so you don't need to worry about having enough resources. You just need a stable internet connection, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the exam itself, because this is where you find out if you actually learned anything. First and foremost, it is 100% hands-on, and there are no multiple choice questions. And honestly, I love that, because with multiple choice, it lets you guess your way out to a pass without really knowing anything. Here, you either know how to do it or you don't. There are 13 hands-on scenarios across 4 core sections, and unfortunately, I cannot show you the exact scenarios or questions, but let me show you a couple of these in action so you can see how immersive this environment actually is. The one that stood out to me the most as a blue teamer is threat modeling. You drop straight into a corporate AI architecture diagram, and instead of answering questions about it, you are actually mapping out where the live attack surface is. Then you're prioritizing the real risk and building out the defensive mitigation plans. The other one that I want to highlight is data poisoning, and this one is quite interesting. You start off with detection and analysis, where you identify what actually caused the data to be poisoned. From there, you move into the attack planning phase, figuring out how you would go in and poison the data that an AI system relies on, manipulating what it trusts and what it pulls back. And then you flip into defense. You design a layered RAG pipeline to protect against it, validate it against an attack simulation, and then see how it holds up under real constraints. The other 2 sections, prompt injection and supply chain security, does follow that same pattern. With prompt injection, you are working against actual AI chatbots, getting them to leak hidden instructions and take actions that they aren't supposed to. And with supply chain, you are auditing third-party AI models to essentially catch hidden backdoors before they ever reach production. And that's the thing that I genuinely like about this exam. Across all 4 sections, you are not just poking at these systems, you're attacking and you're defending them as well. That dual perspective is exactly what makes you a stronger defender. And it is the part that, well, most trainings out there completely skip. Now let's go over the format so you know exactly what to expect. You get a 48-hour window to complete the exam once you start it. And by the way, it is not proctored, meaning that you can work through it at your own pace. The passing mark is 70%, and the way that it's graded is split. The hands-on technical parts you get scored on pretty much right away, but the written parts, so things like your mitigation plans and your incident reporting, that is going to get an AI assisted evaluation within 24 to 48 hours. One thing to note going in though is that you will need a government issued ID for identity verification before you launch the exam. And if you don't pass the first time, that's okay, because remember, there is one free retake that you can take advantage of. But before you spend a single dollar, here is what I would recommend. Go and try it out for free first and see if this kind of work even interests you. You can do this by creating an account on TryHackMe if you don't already have one. Test out some of the free labs, and if it's something that you can see yourself getting into, then perfect, because TryHackMe is actually running a giveaway alongside this. And the entry happens to be the perfect low-risk way to test the waters. And here is how it works. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a free TryHackMe account or log in if you already have one. The second is complete at least one room in the AI path. And if you are a beginner and have no idea where to start, there is a starter room that I'll link down below called AI and ML Security Threats. And third, leave a comment on this video explaining how earning this certification would actually help your career or learning goals. Do those 3 things and you're entered. 5 winners will get picked at random from everyone who completes all 3 steps. And that's gonna happen 7 days after this video goes up. Winners will get a full voucher. And like I said, even if you do not win, you have lost nothing. You made a free account and completed a real room, and now you actually know whether this is something that you enjoy doing. And that right there is the whole point. Try the free stuff first and then decide. There is one thing that I do want to mention though, is that you do not need advanced AI experience to start. If you have the basic foundation in security, networking, and operating systems, then you'll be fine. The prep path that comes with the bundle is going to teach you everything that you need to know to tackle this exam. So should you actually go for this? Here is my honest take on who it's for and who it's not for. I would actually recommend this if you are a SOC analyst or a student who wants to get ahead of where the industry is heading and pick up a skill set that most people your level do not have yet. I would also recommend it if you learn best with a clear path and a goal at the end, because the labs plus the exam gives you exactly that. But most importantly, I would recommend it if you are in the financial position to invest in it right now. I would not recommend this if you are looking for a policy type credential, as this is more on the technical execution side of things. I would also not recommend it if you consider yourself advanced with AI, as this appears to be more of a foundational cert, and it'll likely be too basic for you. And lastly, if money is tight right now, this honestly wouldn't be something I would put top of my list. Again, there are free rooms on TryHackMe that you can work through first, and then when your financials are a little bit better, then you can always come back to the cert later. Oh, and there is one more thing. As I just mentioned, this is a foundational cert, meaning that you are expected to have the basics down. If you are brand new to the field and you do not yet understand something like networking, operating systems, or security, or even how logs work, I would focus on building that first before you come to something like this. AI security sits on top of all of those fundamentals. It does not replace them. So get a solid base first and then come back to this when you're ready. At the end of the day, if AI security is something that you are curious about and you want to get in early, I think that this is a reasonable place to start. Just go in with the right expectation. So if you are ready to go for it, here is everything you need to know. If you want the full bundle, the exam voucher, the 3 months of premium access, and the free retake, the retail price is $399. But TryHackMe is running a launch discount. You can use the code DEFERAI1 for 30% off, which brings it down to about $279. That 30%, by the way, is only good for the first 2 weeks after this video goes live. After that, the code still works, but it drops to 25% off, so it's closer to $299. All of the links and the discount codes are listed down in the description. And don't forget about the giveaway. Sign up for a free account, complete a room in the AI path, and leave a comment down below telling me how the cert would help you with your goals. 5 of you are going to be walking away with a full voucher. That is it for the video, and I hope that you found that informative. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.